Check out this video. Have you ever wondered how to blur the lines between dreams and reality in your videos? Today, we're going to learn how to use the power of AI to create surreal art videos, the kind that keeps every viewer glued to the screen. In this tutorial, you'll learn everything from scratch, from writing prompts to animation and even creating your own custom music. So, if you're into digital art and AI, hit that like button and subscribe right now, because we're about to make some magic happen. Alright, let's start by heading over to Google and searching for ChatGPT. Click on the first result to open it up. Here we are on the home page. This is where we type in exactly what we want. I'm going to type, "Give me 5 image and video prompts for surreal art." Then, I'll hit generate and wait for it to list the prompts out for me one by one. Once the prompts are ready, we'll move on to the next step. Now, back to Google. This time, search for Google Labs. The first option is what we need. Since we want to use the Whisk tool and access its design features, click on Google FX. This page will open up with 4 options. We're going with Google Whisk. I'll click to open it, and while it's loading, I'll jump back to ChatGPT and copy that first prompt. In Google Whisk, I'll click Enter Tool on the landing page. This brings us to the workspace. In the prompt section, I'll paste the prompt I just copied from ChatGPT. For the aspect ratio, I prefer 16:9, which is perfect for desktop and YouTube, so I'll leave it at that. Finally, I'll hit generate. Let's wait for the images to be created. I actually hit generate twice, so it gave me 4 variations. These are beautiful. I really love this particular one, it caught my eye. Because I like this one, I'll click Animate, and this window pops up. As you can see here, you get 5 free videos per day. Keep in mind, you can do this with any Gmail account, meaning once you run out on one account, you can simply switch to another Gmail and get 5 more free videos. Now, I'll head back to ChatGPT. I'm going to copy the first prompt again, but this time I'll ask it to convert it into a specific video prompt. You could animate it without a prompt, but I want it to be more precise and flawless, which is why I use a dedicated video prompt. Once the video prompt is ready, I'll head back to Whisk and paste it here. I'll hit generate and wait for the video to be built. I have 4 out of 5 videos left now. Let's wait and see how it turns out. And it's done. Let's take a look together. Now, back to ChatGPT for the second prompt to build the next image. Here's a tip. You can just give your prompt to ChatGPT and tell it to create a few more prompts with the same theme. My images here are quite diverse since we're just experimenting and testing things out. This next image is ready too. I like the one on the right, so I'll select it and hit animate. I'm going back to ChatGPT one more time to copy all the remaining prompts and ask it to convert them all into video prompts at once. I'll hit generate, and once they're ready, I'll copy them one by one. I'll take the first one, paste it into Whisk, and hit generate. Let's wait and see the result. That's interesting. I like it. Now for the third image, same process. Copy prompt number 3, paste it, and let Google Whisk do its thing. These images are amazing, I love this one. I'll grab my next video prompt from ChatGPT. I want to convert every single image into a video so we can eventually compile them into one long surreal film. This one's done too, let's watch. brilliant. These videos are honestly stunning. I'll do the same for the fourth and fifth images. It's just a matter of copying and pasting prompts. I'll speed up the footage here so we can just see the final results, as I want the final video to be quite long. Once we've built all our videos, we can download them from here. If you don't see all your videos in this view, don't worry. Just go to the Whisk homepage, click on My Library, and under the Video tab, you'll find everything you've created. You can download them one by one from there. Now, I want to use another tool to create the music. I'll search Google for Musicful AI. I've introduced this platform in my previous videos. I'll leave a link up here for you to check out. Once you're in, you can sign up here. Since I already have an account, I'll just log in. It's super easy. You can use Google, Apple, or your personal email. I'm logging in with my Gmail. Once inside, click on Make Music for Free. Since I've covered this platform in detail before, we'll just focus on the creation part today. I'll make sure the instrumental toggle is on so it only generates music. For the style, you can type your own or choose from the list. I'm going with piano, calm, relaxing, dark, bedroom, lo-fi, and deep emotional. I'll give it a name and hit Create Song. There are various models, but I'm using version 1 because it uses fewer credits and stays free. This platform is also available as an app for both Android and iOS. The music tracks are ready. Let's listen to one. Sounds good. Now we can download it in various formats. I'll go with MP3. Also, click these 3 dots to download the license. This is important so you can use it on YouTube and other platforms without worrying about copyright strikes. Now that we have everything, I'll head over to the editing phase. You can use Premiere Pro or CapCut. I'm using CapCut here. Open CapCut and hit Import. Bring in all the videos and the music. I'll arrange the videos one after another on the timeline. You can scale the videos up to hide the watermark, but for now, I'll just quickly line them up. Once the videos are in place, I'll drop the music underneath. I'll mute the original audio of the clips so only the music remains. I'll cut the music at the 40-second mark, and we're done. Let's see the final result. That turned out great. One last tip, try to keep your videos within a consistent theme unlike mine here which were a bit different to make the final piece feel more cohesive. So, you saw how simple it is to create your own piece of art using just a few free tools. Now it's your turn to get started and create your own imaginative videos. Remember, consistency and practice are the keys to success in this journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with your artist friends. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments. I read them all. For more awesome tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, stay creative.